Let's open one of the existing card, for example, chain. You have a number for an item. This is unique, so you cannot have two items with the same number in the one company. You have also, of course, description and base unit of measure. With this, you define what is the base unit, so all the entries will be done in this unit of measure. You can use different unit of measures for purchasing, for example. So if you want to use, for example, boxes for purchasing, you can define that we have 10 pieces in one box, and you can set this box as a default purchase unit of measure. With this setting, system will take this unit of measure on the purchase documents. In inventory section, we have some values. First of all, we have inventory, so all the items, all the entries connected with the item, of course with remaining quantity and the quantity, and we also have some cost and sales values with all the entries. And this is our stock. You can also check some values, this item values on different kind of documents. So let's find one of the documents that we have. For example, on this item, we have some quantities on purchase orders. I can open it. I can even show document and see the whole purchase order. Escape. And of course, I can check also sales orders with the same way. On cost and posting, you will find some posting and accountancy settings for the item. First of all, and one of the most important settings, is costing method. With this, you decide how system will treat the item. So this is based on how the system will calculate the costs of the item. In posting details, you will find connection with product posting groups. So we have general product posting group and VAT posting group. With this, you defined which accounts will be used when system will post transactions. In our case, we have a domestic vendor, we have a retail item, so we have a business product posting group as a retail. So system will use purchase account if we post purchase invoice. In these tables, all the settings are done. In VAT product posting group, you assigned VAT settings for this item. So system will use this settings in this case. So we have domestic vendor and VAT 25 for this setting. If you have any doubts how to set up those fields, just ask to the financial department, because these are very important on the financial side of the system. In replenishment, you can choose how do you replenish your item. You can choose purchase or production order and assembly. We will use purchase for our purchase item, and you can connect it with specific vendor in the database, and you can put some vendor item number in here. In planning, you will find all the parameters connected with the planning of this item. We will go through those fields later in this course. On right, you have some fact boxes, we have some attributes, we have a picture of the item, so we can check it right away. As I said before, we can also choose fixed assets and charges. I will show them later in this course.